Okay guys, so it finally arrived. This is my bag from Polene Paris. The bags are actually handmade in Spain and the bags are shipped from Spain. So I am going to do an unboxing of this gorgeous bag. Now, the reason I purchased it was I actually don't have anything in this style, size or colour. Excuse me, cat. Goodbye. She's just as interested as I am. Off you go. So I ended up choosing the Numero Nano bag, and the colour I got is the pebbled burgundy, I believe. So I wanted something that I could use on the go that was classy, stylish. It had to be leather, and also I wanted something with the top handle and an adjustable, removable shoulder strap. So this fit the bill. And I had done a lot of research on the company and I thought I would purchase my first bag from them. So it comes with a little card like so from the company. And let's open this baby up. I am so excited to see this. Ooh, gorgeous. So we'll just move that aside. So the bag comes in, oh my gosh, that is such a thick, beautiful dust bag. And yeah, oh my goodness, the colour, exactly what I was after. So, oh, now that is gorgeous. Now this is the Nano. It has the 4 feet on the bottom, a very simple logo on the front, and I believe, yep, it's still got all the protective coverings on it. Just open this up, and there's all the stuffing in here, and the little card. Okay, so it's Italian calfskin leather with 100% cotton lining. So it's got a little pocket in the back, and then it's just one simple section. There's no other sort of dividing areas in that. And I do believe you can still close it whether you do the buckles up or not. And it's just magnetized. It's got a gorgeous little top handle. It's got a adjustable and removable strap. And it's also got a little pocket in the back. I don't know whether, you probably wouldn't fit a phone in it, but you could probably just, I don't know, if you had a train pass or something like that, you could put it in the back, or receipts. Yeah, super impressed. You could dress up the handle with a little twilly. You know, I've looked at a lot of videos and it does fit quite a lot as far as essentials go, so I will give that a little whirl later. We are in lockdown at the moment, so not that I have anywhere to go. But yeah, this beauty is really, I'm just so glad I got this colour. It's still a great neutral. It's more of a browny burgundy. It's not too red and it's not too purple. It's a real sort of eggplant colour. I don't know if it's showing up here very well. So yeah, I think this ended up costing me Australian, I think it was $400 plus FedEx shipping $25. So it's probably equivalent to a Mimco leather bag or a Coach, I guess, something that this size as well. So yeah, I'm looking forward to using it. I love that you can expand the size with these little press studs. And yeah, it took just, I think it was about a week to get to me, something like that. So yeah, looking forward to adding this to my collection. So hope you enjoyed that little unboxing. I might do a what fits down the track as well. So yeah, gorgeous little bag, and it just is so soft. I love it. I love it that it's understated. I can dress it up. Yeah, casual evening would be nice without the strap. Day would be great with the crossbody for running errands, and I just really love a top handle. I love when I get out of the car I can just grab the bag by top handle as well. So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it.